Hello, in front of me I have got SteelSeries Nova 5. In this video I'll show you multimedia controls. In the beginning, take a look at the right ear cap. Right here we've got the power button. Single press for play, pause music. Double press for skip track. Triple press for previous track. To answer or end voice call, single press quick switch button. To ignore call, double press quick switch button. To increase volume while call, single press power button, and to decrease volume while call, double press power button. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.